5, ladder 7, rescue 1, 4, ladder 5, you are the ring. Fire gun shell is going to be fire up the east of Bravo. 27 watts.
Light velocity black smoke coming out the window on the Charlie Bravo side. I don't know if there's another room back there, but smoke's coming out the window.
Doing our best.
We can run on the plane off. Rescue to command. Fire is contained to the division. Fire is out.
Located at Dog Division 1. He's was located on the other side of the occupancy, wasn't there. We're taking an alternate water source with engine 12 down here at Arlington Street. Do you want this supply line charge? Do you want to hold off on filling this?
Dizzy's on the scene.
You can hold off for now. Just keep the hydrant dressed. Hydrant's been flushed and dressed. We're standing by the traffic. Receive engine 12 standing by the hydrant. Team 2 to rescue 1. Team 3 is headed to the basement division to secure utilities. Team 2 is still on Division 1, maintaining the safety of the pets. Okay, rescue 1 here. Team 2, just kill the third floor panel. Receive. Team 3, did you receive that? Third floor only. Next to Team 3, receive. We're on it. That's Team 105. Come in, you got your 6, this is 3. Yeah, 5 control, no extension. Alright, receive. Do you want to send like either a firefighter member up to the Alpha Bravo 3rd floor side, start opening the windows, no breaking them, just open the windows, Bravo and Alpha side, start venting some of the smoke up for you. Engine 13 to engine 6 pump. Shut down the LVH line. You're dumping your pump water down the supply line right now. You're filling us up. Shut down. Rescue Team 3, safe, this is command. Come in, sir. Power and gas are shut off to the 3rd floor. Receive. Power, gas to the 3rd floor has been shut off. The fire alarm? Fire alarm answer 105. I'm on 384 Providence Street, responding. Received. Gonna be on Bravo. Thank you. You're welcome.
Another great job by the Worcester Fire Department, Worcester Police Department, Worcester EMS, keeping us safe and making us proud here on the corner of Patterson and Providence Street.
9, line of 7, you may return.
Worcester EMS keeping the birds warm. Apologize.
Engine 3, number 7, Preston Street, first responder. Engine 3, 7, Preston. 13.
You can start picking up the board supply line. Engine 2 is going to drop you past. They will assist you. So engine 2, 13 will pick up the board supply line.
Wrapping up another one.
Company going ahead. No, I know. Stop packing up.
Small kitchen fire on the third floor here.
Down the engine 3-quarter line.
Knocked down quick by the Worcester Fire Department. Little ventilation. Pulled out a couple pets to make sure they don't get no smoke. Keeping everybody safe.
Engine 3, number 7, Preston Street, apartment number 2, for 94-year-old male, possible stroke, negative screening.
I got fire alarm, thank you.
Appreciate it. Command, Hanson, fire alarm. Yeah, there's radio traffic going on. We're about 12 minutes in. Okay, received. You can stop the countdown clock, fire alarm. So it stopped until just before midnight. Good. Come in as engine 12 out of the building. Negative chief, half of engine 12 out of the building. 3 chiefs, half of 12. In engine 6, again, engine 6 and car 4 will be remaining on scene on Providence Street. Excuse me, sir, this company is working at 84 Providence Street. -06. Company's return quarters will hold in car 4 and engine 6 at this time, 1841. $1842.
Striking you all out. 1842.
1842. $13. Go back.
1843.
The Rock.